morning, guys.
Good morning.
All right, we are ready to go ahead and get started with our math lesson for today. How's everybody feeling today?
Good.
Good. Awesome. All right. Today is Tuesday. All right. So we're gonna start with a little warm-up for today. Our warm-up direction says we are going to skip count backwards all together. We will start on the number 100. And each time you say a number, we'll say the number that is 10 less than the previous number. All right? So, our number is going to start 100. All right? I would like for you to turn and talk to your partner. What number is going to come right before 100 if we're going to skip count by 10 going backwards? Ready, set?
You bet.
All right, 30 seconds. Talk. What number?
90.
What number? All right, Chantal. All right, if I'm gonna skip count, you can go ahead and join this way. Right here, right? If I'm gonna skip count from 100 and go backwards, what would be the last number? Boys, make sure we are staying on topic, please, right? Thank you. All right, hands on top. All right, who can help Miss Nasa figure out what is my next number? Let's count as a whole class. Ready? All right. Remember, are we going forward or are we going backwards?
Backwards.
By how many?
10.
All right, ready? We're gonna start with 100.
90.
Then
80. 70. 60. 50. 40.
close.
30. 20.
Oh, there we go.
10.
Uh-oh.
0.
0. Very good. Good job. What did we just do right here? What did we do, Skylar?
Count down from 100
By 10. We went backwards by 10. Very good, guys. High five to your partner. Good job. You guys did an awesome job. High five. Awesome. All right. So, very good, friends. All right. So, today we're going to start a new lesson. It's lesson 6. All right. Today we are going to learn how to decompose two-digit number by place value. Okay. Today we're going to need your 100 cubes, which I have them with me, your 10 rods, all right, your 20 rods, math journal notebook, marker boxes, and pencil. All right, give me a thumbs up if you have your workbook, pencil, and your math journal. Perfect. Good job. Awesome. All right, our learning target today says, I can decompose two-digit numbers by place value. Decompose. What does the word decompose mean? Who knows? Sky, do you know what decompose means?
Maybe it means cut down.
So it's break down, right? So we're gonna break down numbers, all right, using place value. What is place value? We've learned about that before.
The sum.
Madison. The what?
The sum.
Not the sum. Who can help me? What's place value? It's the your tens and ones. All right, those are called your place value, all right, where the number is. So we're gonna look at our place value of tens and ones to decompose two-digit numbers. And it says I can identify the number of tens and ones in two-digit numbers. There we go, it tells us again, right, Angel? Please close the book. I can use connecting cubes or base 10 blocks to decompose two-digit numbers by place value again. Okay, so we are going to use our cubes and our 10 rods, which I have right here, all right, our ones and tens, right, so that we can decompose. Remember, we said to decompose was to break down a number, okay, so we're going to break it down into tens and ones, all right. So you might say, what does that look like? Well, let's figure that out. So for example, this is our solve and share problem. It says, the class basket of markers has 80 markers in it. How many markers does it have?
80.
Okay. Mr. Wood would like to put them back into their boxes. Okay? He wants to put it back in the boxes. We know what that means, right?
Yeah.
but each box holds only 10 markers. How many full boxes will he have?
8.
Let's take 30 seconds just to think. What is the problem asking us? Just thinking. This is where we're doing the thinking part. But we're really internalizing what the problem is asking us to do. Okay, so just think. Remember, 30 seconds. All right, I would like for you guys to go ahead and turn to your partners. Go ahead and face your partners. All right. So Chantel, you can come and join these, Maya and Imani, sweetie. And then Aurora, you can join Madison and Skylar, okay? All right, so go ahead and come sit next to them, sweetie. So Madison, go ahead and make space for her, please. All right, so what I would like for you guys to turn and talk to your partner is, what are we trying to find in here? What are we looking for? What is the problem asking us to do? Give me a thumbs up if you understand what you're supposed to do. All right, I'm gonna go ahead and put 30 seconds on my timer, which is probably around here somewhere, okay? I'm gonna put 30 seconds on about 30 to maybe 40 seconds. We'll see how you guys do, and if you need more time, I'll give you some more time. I would like for you and your partners or your group to talk about, what are we looking for? What are we supposed to do? All right, ready, set?
You bet.
All right, go ahead.
How many markers? How many count back this up? So we have 80 minus it's going to be 8 equals if I have 80 markers, it's 0.
Join them right here. You want to talk to you guys, so you want to make sure you face us, okay? So you want to face up and you're so what is the problem asking us to do? All right, talk to each All right, I'll give you another 10 more seconds, okay? Go ahead, keep talking. All right, hands on top.
Everybody stop.
All right, can somebody tell me, what am I supposed to do? What is the problem asking Miss Nasser to do? Evelyn? Okay, so she says that it's asking us to break down the number by tens. What else? Who can add on to that, what she said? All right, Carter, what do you think? Right now. So what do you think it's asking us to do? Are we taking away anything? Did he take anything away? No, listen, let's go back through it a little bit. Let's talk a little more about it. So it says the class basket of markers has how many in it?
80.
He has 80 markers, all right? So he has all these markers in it, right? But he says that Mr. would like to put them back into their boxes. He wants to organize them, right? So Miss Nasser likes to organize her class all the time, right?
Yeah.
So let's pretend Miss Nasser has 80 markers. And she wants to put them back in their boxes so that she can put them nicely, neatly, in her storage box. But each box only fits 10 markers. So can Miss Nasser put 80 in one box?
No.
No, I can't put 80 in one box, can I?
No.
Right, think. I can't put 80 in one box, right? Because how many can each box fit?
10.
10, right, Sky? So if only one box can fit 10 and I have all these 80 markers, what am I supposed to do? Can I have more boxes maybe of 10?
Yes.
Right? He has, all right, says each box holds 10 markers. So how many boxes would I need if I want to put all these markers in there? Angel?
8.
How many?
8.
8. What makes you say 8? Why do you say 8? Why would it take 8 boxes?
Or put all the markers?
To put all the markers, all right. Who else can add on to that? Jason?
Because he said it can fit only 10
Okay,
markers,
okay.
and you can divide them by 8, and put the 10 1 10s in other 7 tens in the other boxes.
Okay, close. Sky?
It has to be 8 boxes because 80 is 8 tens.
Okay. So remember, we have how many markers?
80.
Right? So I have 80 markers, okay? I have each box can fit 10, correct?
Yes.
Interesting. So if each one can turn out, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and actually, and I'm gonna add a little paper here, right?
Okay.
So that we can be able to draw, okay? So like we said, we have 80 markers, right?
Yes.
So can we draw 80 tens?
No.
8 tens? Can we draw 8 tens?
Yes.
Okay, so let's draw 8 tens. I have 1.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay. So each box can fit how many?
10.
All right. So I'm gonna draw. All right, that's how many can fit in here? 10 markers only, right?
Yes.
I need to get to what? 80 markers, right? Another box. How many can the next box fit? 10 only. How many can the next box fit?
10.
How many can the next box fit?
10.
What about the next box?
10.
All right. What about the next box?
10.
10. What about the next box?
10.
So how many boxes do we have so far?
70.
Okay, so we have 7 boxes. How many more do we need?
1.
1 more, right?
10, 20, 30.
Okay. How many boxes do we have now?
80.
80. So if I take 80 markers and I put 10 in each, right? Because only each box can fit 10 markers, right? Chase Young? Right. How many boxes would I need to fit 80 markers?
8.
8, right? Imani, how many?
8.
8, right? Does that make sense?
Yes.
Yeah. Because I have 80, each box can fit 10. I can't put all 80 in a box of 10, right? Because they won't fit, they will be all jumbled up. So then I would need to have another box of 10, and another box of 10, and another box of 10. What are we doing? Jumping how many?
10.
10. Because from here to here, that's a 10. And then from here to here, what do we call when we're jumping? We don't call we're jumping 10, we are
Adding and hopping.
skip counting, okay? We're skip counting. Remember in our warm-up we skipped backwards? But this time we were skip counting forward, right? Give me a thumbs up if you understand what we're doing,
Yes.
okay? So the purpose of this activity was for us to kind of understand, all right, so we have 80 markers. We're supposed to decompose. Did we decompose 80? Yes, right? We broke down 80 into 10 boxes. I'm sorry, 8 boxes of 10, all right? We looked at 80, we said, we need to break down 80 because we can't fit 80 in one box of 10, right?
Yes.
So we broke it down into 8 boxes and each one had 10. Very good, guys. That was awesome. Good job. All right, pat yourself on the back. Say, good job, good job. You did a good job. All right. So we are going to go ahead and watch our visual learning bridge that goes along with our lesson, and then we're gonna do some activities together. Yes.
Why is a lot of people in here?
How? I don't know. A lot of people are absent today. All right. You ready? Here we go. All right. Pay attention.
Look at the big number. 35 stands for 3 tens and 5 ones. What numbers make up 35? The numbers 30 and 5 make up 35. How are these numbers like the numbers in 3 tens and 5 ones?
All right. Let's be reminded. What number is this?
3 tens is
3
30.
tens, right? How many is that?
5 ones.
30. How many is this one?
What digit is any of the numerals in a number? What are the digits in 35?
Okay, we just said that. Then 3 tens, which is 30, and then 5 ones is 5.
The digits are 3 and
Good
5.
job.
Which digit tells you how many tens in 35?
Which digit?
3.
3, right?
Three.
All right. So So which digit tells us how many tens?
Three.
Three. Very good. Good job. Yay. Awesome.
3. Which digit tells you how many ones in
Five.
Very good. Good job. All right.
5.
Give me a thumbs up if we learned how to use this model.
A model to
Good
show
job.
the
Yes, we
tens
did.
and ones.
Try it. Boop. Try it.
All right. Here we go.
When you use connecting cubes to show a number, you put the groups of 10 in the tens column on the place value mat. The leftover cubes are called
All right. How many did they put in the tens?
Three.
Why?
Because
Wait a minute. Why? Why, Carter? Yeah, there are 3 tens in here, so I know because the 3 is in my tens place value, Jason. I'm gonna go ahead and put 3 tens rods. How many do you think I'm gonna put in the ones?
Five.
5, because 5 is in my
One.
ones place value. Very good. All right.
8 ones. Where should you put these cubes?
The one.
In the
You put the
ones.
ones
How many are you gonna put there?
on the place value mat.
Very good.
How many tens are there in
Three.
35?
3. Good job. 3 tens.
There are 3 tens.
How many ones?
are there?
Five.
Awesome.
There are 5 ones. You do not have to put cubes on a place value mat. You can also write numbers on the mat. The ones digit goes on the right. The tens digit goes on the left.
All right. Do we have to draw the tens cubes and rods? I mean, I'm sorry, the 10 rods and cubes.
No.
No. All right. We could just write the numbers, right? So looking at 35, how many tens?
Three.
3. How many ones?
Five.
All right.
95.
Yep. Perfect.
You can put numbers on the mat instead of cubes.
But however, for my friends who have a hard time with this, if you want to draw it out, that's totally fine. Okay? Does both ways work?
Yeah.
Yes. Right? If for my friends who need support, you can go ahead and you can use your cubes to construct your tens and your ones. For my friends who don't need, who are able to do this, they can just use the math where they can just write the number. Okay? All right.
3 tens and 5 ones make 35. You can put the 3 and the 5 together to make the number 35.
Beautiful.
Now you know how to show tens and ones on a place value mat.
Awesome. Do all 3 show me number 35?
Yes.
Yes. Even though all 3 might look different, are they all the same? Yes. Okay. So you get to decide which one, which kind of way you prefer. If you have a hard time maybe looking at numbers, if you want to use visuals or hands-on, then you can use cubes to construct your tens and ones. But for my friends, Sky, who don't need the scaffolds or the cubes, who knows their numbers, you can just write it like this. Questions for me? All right. So I would like for you to open up your, all right? Yep. Your writing journal. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay. And we are going to have our topic 6, lesson 1, practice questions. All right. No worries. All right. So, in your math journal, we are going to complete this activity together, please. It says, ready? Look at these numbers below. How are they the same? How are they different? Explain in your math journal or your math notebook. Okay? So I would like for you, I'm going to give you, let's say, about 2 minutes where you are going to look at both numbers. And on your paper, you're going to tell me how both are the same and how both are different, and then we are going to share as a whole class. Give me a thumbs up if you understand what you're supposed to do. Maya said, do we know what we're supposed to do? Faison, do we know what we're supposed to do? Yep, yes, yes. All right, I'm going to give you 2 minutes. Ready, set?
You bet.
All right, go ahead and get started. 2 minutes. Yes, you're going to write them on your journal. Yep, yep. You can use
I got one pencil.
all right, go ahead. Go ahead, Angel. Thank you. All right, you can looking at both numbers. We're looking to see how are both numbers similar, how are both numbers different. Okay? You can explain on your journal using words or by drawing pictures. All right? So I'm not looking for words. If you're not able to write words, you can draw it out and show me how they're different. All right? You can even use numbers. All right? All right, come on, buddy. Come on, Angel. Thank you, Angel. I appreciate that. All right, come on. All right, I appreciate my friends working really nicely. And focused. Again, remember, we're looking for differences between both numbers and similarities, okay? So not just similarities, but also differences, all right? How are they the same? How are they different? All right? 5 more seconds? No. All right, raise your hand if you need 1 more minute. All right, I'm gonna give you 1 more minute, okay? All right, here we go. Alright, I see some of you have finished already, waiting quietly for this answer. Alright, awesome. Alright, let's see. I'm gonna check the names to see if they can share with me. Alright, let's see. Alright, JCL, can you tell me one thing that both numbers have in common? That means they're similar.
Tens above 5.
I'm sorry?
Tens above 5.
Okay, they both have tens of 10s. Alright, very good. What else? Alright, let's see next person. Dimmy, oh, not here today. Not here today. Oh my goodness. Alright, Angel, can you tell me one difference between both numbers?
Well, one number got 7 ones.
7 ones. Alright, well, does the other one have 7 ones?
No.
Alright, very good. Let's do another one. Not here. Oh my goodness. Alright, Imani, can you tell me one difference between both numbers?
First 10 does not have any ones.
Okay, so we said that already. Any other difference?
The second one has ones.
Alright, we also said that. Can you tell me how much is in here? What's my number in here?
5.
5? Give me a thumbs up if you agree with him.
No, 50.
50, there you go, much better, because remember, these are 10 rods, right? So we have 50 here. What about here?
Nothing. What? What?
Look again. Hold on, let her notice again. Kimaya, you wanna help?
5.
Aurora? 57. Remember, there are ones. We can't just throw the ones out. Alright, we can't just say, oh, well, they're not there. We're gonna count them. So we see 10, 20, 30, 40, 50. Alright, we're gonna count our ones. 51, 52, 53, 54, 55, 56, 57. Is that a difference? Yeah, because this one has 50, this one has 57. Very good. All right, give me a thumbs up ready for the next one.
Yeah.
All right, you ready? All right, next one, another 3 minutes. Ready? Go.
What's the next one?
You are looking for similarities and differences. All right? Good job. You guys are doing awesome today. Okay, so we're looking for similarities and differences. Remember, you can explain on your journal using words, pictures, words to, things or pictures to show your understanding. All right? All right. Good job, my friends are doing such a good job today. Focus, don't make it hard. All right, you got about 1 minute. Yeah. Okay. All right, but you can just grab your math journal and a pencil and come to my carpet, okay? All right. 30 more seconds. You can explain to me just a second, okay? No, we're not adding, remember. We're not adding. Remember, friends, we're not adding, we are just telling, we're just writing how both numbers are similar or different. Are we adding? No, right? We're not adding any numbers. We're just looking to see how they're similar or different. Okay? So we're just really observing what we see and writing. Okay? All right. All right, here we go. Let's see. Nope, not here today. Not here. All right, Chantel, can you tell me one similarity between these numbers? I'm sorry? They have both six what? 6 tens or 6 ones? 6 ones, all right, so they both have 6 ones. She notices that they both have 6 ones. Very good. All right, let's see the next one. Nope, not here, guys. Nope, not here, guys. Raina, can you tell me another difference? Yes, a difference between both numbers.
That one has 4 tens.
Okay,
That one has 7 tens.
okay. She notices that this one has only 4 tens, while this one has 7 tens. Very good, that's a good observation. Come on, August. Oh, not here, guys. Hold on, guys. Who's gonna be able- oh, Aurora, can you tell me one difference between both numbers? Who can help? Sky, what's one difference?
This one is that the other number is 46.
This one?
Yeah, that's
Okay, 46, right?
the other one is 77.
All right, give me a thumbs up if you agree with her. We have 46 and 76. Yep, I agree with her as well. I know that there's 4 tens, 6 ones, that makes me 46. I see that there's 7 tens and 6 ones, that's 76. Any other similarities or differences Miss Nasser might have missed? Sky, did I miss anything?
The boxes are a little bit bigger.
No. Do they both have tens?
Yeah.
Yeah, but they have different numbers of tens and ones.
They both have ones.
Yeah, they both have ones. Alright, ready for the next one?
Yeah.
Alright, one more, here we go. Ready? Alright, 3 minutes. You ready? Go. Alright. Come on, August, grab your geometry with a pencil. Up, same thing. We're looking at both and we're gonna find out how are they similar and how are they different. Alright? Somebody new one? Sorry. A couple minutes. Alright, you got 1 minute and a half. We're still focused. We're focused on math right now. We're focused on math right now, please. Alright, walk with it. Money on over here, please. Money. Right here, please. Turn around. Turn around, please. Thank you. Okay. Alright, good. So, what we're gonna do today is we are just reviewing, alright, alright, about tens and ones, okay? So what I want you to do is I want you to look at both numbers, okay? And I want you to tell me, what do you notice between both numbers? Right? How many tens they have, how many ones, what do you see that is the same, what do you see that is different? Alright, and then I want you to either write or draw it here, okay? Alright, so you're just looking to see how they're similar, how are they different, okay? You're looking at the tens rows and your ones and see if they're the same or they're different. Okay? Does that make sense? Alright, cool. Okay? Alright, you have about 20 more seconds. Alright. Alright, let's see. Alright, Kamaya, one similarity.
That is 30.
Similarity, something between that are the same.
That is 3. And that is 6.
Yep, tell me something that they're the same. What do they, both numbers have the same thing? Amani, can you help? What are some same things that both numbers have?
They both have ones.
And?
10.
Right, they both numbers have tens and ones. Alright, Madison, can you tell me one difference between this number and this number?
They don't have the same number of
Cannot hear you.
They don't have the same numbers of 10.
Okay, so how many does this one have? 3 tens, and how many does this one have? 6 tens, alright. Let's do, JCL, can you tell me one other difference, please?
That one is 3 more than that one.
3 more what?
3 more 10.
Oh, I know, I like how he said that. He said, I noticed this one has 3 more than this number has. Interesting. All right, Angel, can you tell me the other difference?
The 8,
8 what?
1,
All right, 8 ones here. What about this one?
4.
4 ones. All right.
We need 4 more to give to 8.
Yep, so we need over here 4 more to get to the same one. All right, Evelyn, can you give me one more difference? So they both have the same number. What number does this one have? 34, while this one has? What is it? 78, very good. Questions for me? Question? Yes.
It's actually similar.
All right, give me one similarity, one more.
Is that it's similar because they both are numbers.
They both are numbers. They both have digits. Very good. I like how you mentioned that. Awesome, guys. All right, our exit ticket of the lesson today. This is going to tell me if you got what we learned today. All right, so on your math journal, on an empty page. All right, here we go. One more time. How are these two numbers similar? How are these two numbers different? All right, you can either do that on the carpet, or if you want to do that at your desk, you are more than welcome to. Once you are done, you are going to come and show it to me so that I can make sure that we are on a good track. All right? Questions for me? Yes. Yes, you may. Questions for me? All right. Go ahead, complete your exit ticket before we start our workbook page. Awesome, guys. You did a wonderful job today.